Say it ain't so. Kevin Kennedy, the superintendent of street maintenance, is retiring after 48 years with the City of Bowie. He was hired in 1973 as a laborer in the streets division, and since then has worked as a meter reader and has led the streets division since 1984.
I didn't do this by myself. I just showed up. A lot of good people around me. Like I tell people all the time, a lot of smart women. Had a lot to do with it. And a lot of hardworking guys, and it's always been a team thing. Just come to work. That's what you need to do, and that's the biggest part of the job. Come to work.
And this is how the Public Works Department decided to send off one of their favorite colleagues and boss.
This is Alfred Lott, City Manager in Bowie. Hope everybody's having a nice day. The purpose of this interview is for me to tell you how great Kevin Kennedy was. He is. Unfortunately, we're losing him, and he's retiring. Okay, he's going to Florida to live, and hope he takes the snow with him, but I don't know about that. We'll see. But in my 5 years of being here, Kevin Kennedy made his job a job that I never had to worry about. Between the maintenance of our streets, which is very important, is a basic required service delivery. He and his team were always on top of everything. He was very responsive to our residents.
This is Una Cooper, Communications Director. I knew this day was coming, but I'm still really sad that it's here. Kevin's one of the good guys. He's part of that special group of public works supervisors who've given Bowie a great reputation for services and are always really helpful.
At 20 years old, you taught me how to read water meters. Taught me all about the system, told me where the meters were, and it gave me inspired me to get a real interest in water treatment and in water field in general.
Hi, Kevin Kennedy. This is Mayor Tim Adams. I'd like to say congratulations on your retirement after 48 years of serving the city. We know that you've done such a wonderful job with all of the snow removal and all the things you have done. So we just want to wish you luck and the best in your retirement.
Hey Kevin, congratulations on your retirement from the City of Bowie wastewater treatment plant.
Congratulations on your retirement. You was a good boss, and we're gonna miss you.
Hey Kevin, congratulations on retirement. We wish you the best. Go enjoy yourself.
Hey Kevin, it's been great working for you the last 11 years. Wish it was going to be 11 more. Good luck down in Florida. Enjoy your retirement.
We're going to miss this guy, not because he's a great person, he's a great manager and a leader, and was able to handle his operation seamlessly to the point where everybody expected excellence all the time. Congratulations. Thank you.
My man here pulled me aside and told me if I didn't change my attitude, I wasn't gonna make it. And I just wanna let y'all know I made it. And it was because of my man right here, Kev. And he's a dog and we're gonna miss him, for real.
Congratulations, Kevin Kennedy, on your 48 years of service with the City of Bowie. And the next time it snows, don't think of us, but we'll definitely think of you.